This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This is the final stretch, building up to the completed model in just a few short issues. The side of the forearm is what we're doing now. The other side, we did one side obviously already. Look to the past, Silver Surfer, I recognise him. Adam Warlock took up the Infinity Gauntlet after the defeat of Thanos. Cool. There we go, all about that. Oh, lots of Silver Surfers. Silver Surfer meets versions of himself from alternate realities. There we go. I think it's an alternate reality that's in the new Fantastic Four movie that we got here. This is the side of the forearm, so we need to find the parts from last time. We've got the other big bit, and then we need to attach that, and then eventually put the little covers in place. And then it's almost there. We've got one more bit to do, then attaching everything and the final stone. Odin, we know about Odin. The All-Father, father of Thor, and sort of Loki, adopted father of Loki. All good stuff. Russell Dauterman, art and fashion. 50 Marvel comics under his belt. Cool. Most of them God of Thunder series. And some other stuff as well, though. There you go. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this final part on the side of the gauntlet. So, lots of parts today, lots of screws. And a cover for the final bit that we're going to be putting together. So we're going to need lots of these screws. We need 8 to put that on there. But before that, we need 3. Let's get loads of them out anyway, because we're going to need them all. So we've got 3 to do that, which is going to attach to that bit. We've got the covers that we had previously as well. So this is going on there. A bit like that. Where's the 3 screw holes? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So it's going to go there, there, and there. Like that. Doesn't feel quite right. It's more of an angle. That's going. There we go. Always feels like it's at the wrong angle, but that's the correct angle for that. Get those 3 screws in there. I shall get those tightened up in a moment and bring in the rest of the gauntlet, because we've got to put all of that together. That's not lined up for that one. It is. It's just not gone in. Try that again. There we go, that's better. Right, so that is that part. So let me tighten those up and then bring in the whole thing. Okay, there we go. That's that all tight and attached. That itself needs to go onto here, just like the other side did around there. So it needs to go onto there. So we need to make sure that lines up down there. The 8 screw holes should line up in there. And oh, that's gone in satisfyingly nice. I like that. I like that quite a lot. So let me get a screw in. Again, this bit I'm not going to be able to do on camera because it's just too big and too unwieldy to get the right angles. But let me get it together and then show you how it's going to look, and we get the plugs in place. And there we go. The last couple of these plugs to go in place. Trick with these is getting the angle right. I keep trying to push them in straight and they don't go in straight. They go in sort of that way, down, not straight from the front. So if you get them in the right angle, it's no trouble at all. He says, having trouble. There we go. So that one goes there. And the final one in this side. A bit like that. And not. I see, as soon as I turn the camera on, all my talent disappears. There we go. That's that. So there we have a big chunk of the Infinity Gauntlet completed and looking very, very nice. The plug that we've got here, we're not using yet. It's basically mirroring that one on the inside when we put the inside on, which is the job. Not for next time. No, next time we are going to be putting the final plate around the outside here and putting the fingers on. And then we get to put the cover on and then make the final stone. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that. But for now, another week is done. Thank you very much for joining me. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.